The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm CeCe. Do you want to go to the playground with me today? Yes. Okay. How should we get there? A bus. A yellow bus. Hey, let's learn a song and then we can sing it on my bus. Let's go! The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and round like this. Can you do that? Can you get your arms out and make them go around and round? Good. What if it rains? We'll have to turn on the windshield wipers. Can you make your hands like windshield wipers? Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Uh-oh, it's raining really hard. We gotta make them go faster. Swish, 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 swish. Can you beep the horn? Show me your hand now. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The driver wants us to sit down while we're on the bus. If you're standing up, he'll say, please sit down. Please, sit down. Can you do that? Say, sit down. Keep your fingers up. Sit. Sit in the chair. Doors on the bus go open and shut. Open and shut. Can you do that with your hands? Can you open up the doors and then shut the doors? Open up the doors and shut the doors. It might be a bumpy ride. That makes the people go up and down. Up and down. Up, down, up, down. Ooh, it's bumpy. Let's go to the playground. Let's go.
Hey, it's CeCe. Hi, CeCe.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. The driver on the bus says, please sit down, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Hey, look! There's a chicken trying to cross the road. Why would he do that? Hey, chicken, cross the road, will ya? Come on. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof. Wait, there's a dog on the bus? Do you want to go to the playground with us? Okay, find a seat. Please sit down. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Look, we made it to the playground!
Yes, 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 yes. I did it! Should I hang from the bars?
Yes, I went down the big yellow slide. Should I go through the tunnel? I'm not afraid.
Don't eat me!
Okay. That was so much fun playing at the playground. I need a snack. Can you say, that was fun? That was fun. Yes. Okay, let's get back on the bus. Come on. Thanks for singing on CeCe's bus. See you later. Bye.